Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy F12 and let me share with you how to enable demo mode on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom in order to find developer options. If you cannot find the developer options in your device, no worries, just check our tutorial of how to enable them in this device, in this model, and then just go back to the video. So let's enter the developer options, and here all you have to do is to simply scroll down in order to find the demo mode. So let's tap on it, and here you've got actually two different options. So first of all, we have to turn it on just by tapping on this switcher, and actually nothing happened. It is enabled, but you cannot see it. So let's tap on this switcher here to show it. And as you can see on the status bar, we've got some changes. We've got all the icons full. So this is actually the demo mode. Of course, you can keep it turned on and hide it just by tapping on this switcher, but you can also turn it off completely just by tapping on the switcher. So actually this is it. This is how to enable the demo mode in your Samsung Galaxy F12. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.